Hey, hello everyone. Today we are here again on TryHackMe with the advent of cyber, the AOC. Today we are going to see the day 12 of the AOC path, and which is phishing, Phishmas greeting, will be based on email. So in this one, we are going pretty much to read the emails and try to understand if they are malicious or not. So we can already start the machine, and it's kind of close to what we do in the SOC world because we also monitor DLP. So we need to understand if an email is malicious or not. So in this case, we are going to take a look at that, and most probably need to wait some minutes. So um, all right, so the machine now is working. So as we can see here, we have 6 email, and most probably we need to understand if they are malicious or not. Oh no, we have to classify them as spam or phishing, and I can check this one. And and okay, and now we can answer to this question. So most probably after classifying as spam phishing, it will give us a code that we need to put it here. So we can start with this one. Um, that seems like a PayPal um, email from PayPal to this email. Interest. Subject. Alright, there are no attachments. So here we can have more information about the email. So here authentication result is failed, and we have information here. PMP invoice. So most probably this one will open a real PayPal link. So this one is a phishing, right? And definitely a fake invoice. Let me see if I can see something else. Alright, I need to select 3 of them. Okay, so let me check something else. I think this one may be spoofing. And Santa Claus sent you an invoice. Order. I will say honestly, spoofing. Is it here? And most probably sense of urgency for the invoice. So we can try this. Okay, it's correct. So now we have the flag. I think we can copy it here, paste it, and check, and it's working. And now we can go ahead with the second one. Mystical to us. So hi Taron, you have a new voice message from Kitty. There's an 88 second. Oh, we have an attachment here, and so there is a voice message, but the format of the attachment is HTML, so it should be MP3, but instead is HTML. So this part should not be like this, should be only this part, right? Play now MP3. So I will say that's definitely a phishing thing, a phishing email, and that's probably the malicious attachment. I will try to see calls TBFC, so the domain seems pretty fine, even if I don't know if calls actually exist. So that can also be something like impersonation or spoofing, or maybe both of them. See, SPF, authentication fail. We have an IP address that we can actually check, but signature did not verify. So even this one can be spoofing and probably something like impersonation. Sender, because he is impersonating to be this guy this time. Mskitty miscall. Alright. I would say something like phishing for sure. Malicious attachment, because that's malicious 100%. Let me see if I can see something else here related to the attachment. Content type. Return path is this one, so that's spoofing. I will say impersonation and spoofing once again. So I'll try, and that's correct. All right, I can copy this one, paste this one, and check it. All right. Okay, we can go ahead with the next one. Urgent, this one is urgent. Mskitty is once again from a personal email, gmail.com, to the blue team TBFC. Let's see here. I'm currently unreachable by phone. We have an ongoing incident. I need the blue team to get removal access from the not to investigate. Please create a new VPN access for me immediately. That's very weird. And is sending back to the personal email. This is urgent, please action immediately. So I will say the two weirdest thing are the personal email and the urgency. So once again I will say spam. There are no attachment this time from the let me see. Authentication is pass, but just because it's pass this time, just because it's sending directly to a probably not real email, because that's probably not even the guy personal email. This mail is very weird. So I will say no. I will say this one is phishing again. This time I will say for sure sense of urgency, because he put this is urgent, please action immediately. But also for me immediately, so sense of urgency 100%. Impersonation as well, because there is no way this one is real email. And I would say probably side channel communication attempt. Makes sense, because it's trying to make the blue team to send the VPN access for him to this email. So I would say side channel, right? Try. Okay, it's not correct. These two are correct, right? This one is not. So we probably can try social engineering. I think that can be fine. All right, yep, social engineering instead. For me, was making sense side channel, but right, it makes also sense like social engineering. All right, now we can go ahead with the fourth one. Okay, this time we have an email. TBFC HR department, TBFC outlook.com invited you to view the file unauthorized approval.pdf. So send it to Neymar Jr. That's funny though. Okay. TBFC HR department. I don't think an HR department should send like something like annual salary raise approval from Dropbox. And here he also says Outlook, so there is not even the TBFC domain. So HTTP, the URL seems fine, except maybe for this blah blah blah. I think this time can be impersonation once again. Maybe social engineering again. Let me find this. Social engineering most probably. And pass, this is the IP address. We can also check this, but it's alright. Protection unlocked. There's not an attachment. I can open this file. Most probably this file is fine. I don't want to open it. Alright, can put 100% is phishing and 100% impersonation. I'm also sure about social engineering, and I will say external sender domain probably. Yeah, because that's not true, because Dropbox is alright. Side channel maybe. Malicious attachment there is not spoofing, not faking voice. There are not type squatting, and no sense of urgency. Maybe some, but I can try. Alright, it's working. Can copy this one and put this one, and now we can go ahead with the fifth one. Improve your event logistics in this Phishmas season. Candy cane called WV. This match effort you well during the busy Phishmas season. That look like spam. This look like spam. There are no links involved. No attachment. Is not impersonating something else. That looks spam to me. It can be the first spam email. Alright, I can try. Alright, it's working. So it was just a spam. And now we can go ahead with the last one, the sixth email. I share the file with you. Okay, this is weird. That's typo squatting. This is not correct. That's not the real domain, so that's for sure typo squatting. Here's the document that PVC share with you. There are no attachment found, so most probably, since there are no attachment found, the attachment is not actually malicious. So I can say that's typo squatting, most probably impersonation, and I still don't get what those links are, honestly. Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't think I will need this. Typo squatting for sure for DF. For this weird F from the sender. Impersonation, because it's trying to impersonating the domain. And as we said, the URL, the attachment, sorry, is not malicious, because otherwise I think that would have been detected here. But I think I can see it from here. Received. Maybe share it with you, so there are not weird extensions. SPF pass protection domain to be there. I can check the URL once again. doesn't say nothing about the attachment, honestly. But I will say probably spoofing. No, maybe spoofing not this time. I will say social engineering. I think social engineering is more appropriate to this one. Yep, is correct. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you at the next one.